In this video, I want to show you how to get the password of your Brother MFC-L2900DW printer, your Wi-Fi password in case you're looking for. So on the display over here, press the home icon to get on the home page. Now you're going to press on the settings icon, press on all settings, go down, and you need to select network. Wi-Fi direct, manual, and over here you should see the Wi-Fi direct name of your printer, and down below under PASS this is your password. Do not type the little line that they are showing here. Your password is beginning after that line, and there's no space at the beginning either. If there's capital letters in your password, make sure to type them properly. Now let me show you how to print using your phone once you get these informations. We need to connect to the Wi-Fi network of the printer. So drag down from the top right corner, go into the Wi-Fi settings of your phone, and we need to connect ourselves to the Wi-Fi network that is listed right over here. So in my case, it should be this one, direct, and then L2900DW. Enter the password that you're seeing on the display. Yours will be different, and if there is capital letters, you should absolutely put capital letters. Then press connect, always connect. Then on your phone, you're going to open any documents that you wish to print. Could also be a picture or even a web page. So over here, I have this picture. Actually, it's a document, but it's in my photos. And on Android smartphone, you're going to tap on these three dots on the top right corner and select print. On iPhone, down below, you should see an icon that is a square with an arrow pointing up. Tap on it, and then you should get the print option. Click on print. On top, we need to select our printer. So tap over there and then tap on Brother MFC-L2900DW. If you tap on the arrow, you're going to have a few settings, like if you want to print on both sides of the page and other things. And at the end, once you're ready, press the print button. You can open the small flap over here because this is where the paper will come out. And wait. And here we go, we got our document printed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, comment down below. Subscribe, like, and check my Amazon links to get some toner for this printer, some paper, or even a brand new printer. Every time you go through my links, I get a small commission from Amazon, and it helps my channel.